All right, so this break consists of 5 Illusion Blaster boxes. I'm assuming that lots of you are joining right after this Heat game just ended. Great game. Being a big Heat fan from Miami myself, I'm very excited that we are 1 win away from the NBA Finals. Was a pretty tough game, but we did see Tyler Hero show out, killed it, had 37 points tonight. Just a 20-year-old kid. So that would be one hot card to get tonight, in addition, of course, to the Jaws and to the Zions. But the card and player of the day for this break is Tyler Hero. So let's see how many of him we could pull today. So let's start off with our first blaster box. These boxes bring 6 packs per box and 6 cards per box. So let's see what we could pull here in our first box. Sorry that I just hit the camera right there. My apologies. So let's get started. So again, it's 6 packs and 6 cards per pack. So 36 total cards. Opening up our first pack. One second. Fix the lighting here. Alrighty. Our first card, we have a Josh Okogie for the T-Wolves, Pascal Siakam, Jonathan Isaac, Miles Bridges season highlights, 2020 Rising Stars Challenge MVP, Bojan Bogdanovic, and our rookie is Bol Bol for the Nuggets. Nice card here for the Denver Nuggets, Bol Bol. First card up, De'Aaron Fox for the Kings, Colin Sexton for the Cavs, Dennis Schroeder for the OKC Thunder. Nice card here, Shining Stars, Stephen Curry for the Golden State Warriors. Eduardo, no, these teams were bid on through eBay. This was from an eBay auction. Next card up, we have a Davis Bertans and our rookie for the San Antonio Spurs, Quindary Weatherspoon. Nice rookie there for the Spurs. Good to always get on the board early. First card in this pack, Blake Griffin, PJ Tucker for the Rockets, Thomas Bryant for the Wizards. Oh, our first Zion here. Nice Zion Williamson rookie. Zion Williamson for the New Orleans Pelicans. Stud right there. Next card up, Karis LeVert for the Nets. And our second rookie here, Grant Williams for the Celtics. Williams for the Celtics. Nice card there for the Pelicans. First Zion of the day. Yes, sir. Eduardo, let's go Heat, my man. Here we have Paul George, Bogdan Bogdanovic, brother of Bojan, Al Horford. Rookie Reflections, we have Kobe White and Derrick Rose. This card will be randomized after the auction, after the break. So Bulls and Pistons, once the last pack is open, stay on and we'll do the randomization. Next card up, we have a Carmelo Anthony for the Trailblazers and our rookie for the Charlotte Hornets, Cody Martin. Once again, if I do have a card that has more than one team, the way that I do it is I ask Siri for a number 1 through 6, or I just ask her to roll a die. Then once that die is rolled, I then go to randomizer.com. I put in the 2 team names or the 3, how many ever teams, and I randomize that list the number of times that Siri told me. And then whichever team is in the top slot gets that card. So that's pretty much how I do it. If you're a little confused, you'll see how it happens. We have a Josh Richardson, Aiden DiVincenzo, Donovan Mitchell, Matthew Dellavedova, and rookie for the San Antonio Spurs, Keldon Johnson. Second rookie there for the San Antonio Spurs. We're down to our final pack of this first box. First blaster box. Christian Wood for the Pistons. Andrew Wiggins. Andre Drummond. Cat. Taurean Prince. And our rookie, Kai Bowman for the Golden State Warriors. Right there, not a bad first box. Did pull one Zion. Still have not seen Jaw. Still have not seen Tyler Hero. But nice cards nonetheless. Nice cards nonetheless. Moving on to our second blaster box. Second blaster box of 5. We want to say thank you to all of you for joining this break. I love doing these breaks. And especially after a great Miami Heat win. Always good to see the Heat go out there and beat the Boston Celtics. First pack here in our second blaster box. First card, Eric Bledsoe. Josh Jackson for the Grizzlies. Scary Terry. Career Lineage, Raptors and Spurs. So this card will be randomized. Bam Adebayo. Stud right there for the Heat. And our rookie, the third one for the Spurs today, Luka Samanic. TJ Warren, Kevin Love, Tristan Thompson. Nice clear shots here of Chris Middleton. Clear shots. I love these cards. Very nice cards. Michael Porter Jr. and our rookie from the Boston Celtics, Romeo Langford. Don't like Langford right now, but you know, he did get drafted to Celtics. You know, no Heat fan likes the Celtics. If you're a Heat fan and a Celtics fan, you're neither. We have a Domantas Sabonis, Gordon Hayward. Oh, we have an auto. Okay. Seems like you have an auto here. RSJBN, Jordan Bone for the Detroit Pistons. Nice auto here. Okay, beautiful card. Jordan Bone, rookie for Detroit Pistons. Rookie signs. Nice card here. First auto I've pulled here. It's not numbered, but nonetheless a nice auto. We set that off to the side. Nice auto. Next up, Derek Favors, Aaron Gordon, and our second, Zion Williamson. Nice card here for the New Orleans Pelicans. Nice card, Zion. Draymond Green, Donovan Mitchell, Nikola Jokic, Miles Bridges season highlights. Already got this card in this break. 2020 Rising Stars Challenge MVP. Next up, we have a Tim Hardaway Jr. and our rookie for the Pistons, Sekou Doumbouya. Nice cards there. Oh, sorry. Anyone saw the rookie there, I apologize. We have a Jake Layman, Miles Bridges, Jason Tatum, James Harden, Marcus Smart, and our rookie for the Clippers, Fiondu Kabengele. On to our final pack of the second blaster box. Try to keep the rookie hidden as best I can. Oh, and this did not rip. Oh. No, if you see the rookie, I'm sorry. This pack did not want to cooperate with me here. We have a DeJounte Murray, Kevin Herter, Ben Simmons, rookie Jordan Poole for the Warriors. Nice rookie here. Trae Young, and our second rookie, we have a Jackson Hayes for the Pelicans. Nice card here. 2 rookies in the pack. Now we just got done with our second blaster. I do want to take this time to show you guys that I do have a couple of these Illusion Value Packs. I have a couple Illusion Value Packs. I have more put away. So if anybody would be interested in doing a personal break for these Value Packs, please comment in the live chat. Currently, the personal breaks are $15 for one. And if you buy more than one, the price comes down. But I do have more of these put away. So if anybody will be interested in a personal break, please comment in the live chat. They will be combined with the shipping that you already paid, so you do not need to pay any extra shipping. So that's always good. You will not need to pay any extra shipping. All cards that you get in those packs, they are yours. They are yours. Any cards you get, it does not matter which team you bid on for this actual break. Once you buy those cards, they are all yours. Once again, if you're interested in that, please comment in the live chat. Comment in the live chat. First pack up in the third blaster. Julius Randle, Daniel House Jr., Derrick Jones Jr., rookie for the Portland Trailblazers, Nasir Little, Cat, and rookie Cam Reddish for the Hawks. Cam Reddish for the Hawks. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, AD, D'Angelo Russell, rookie Reflections, DeAndre Hunter and Dominique Wilkins. Nice card there for the Hawks. Jimmy Butler, and rookie Terrence Davis for the Raptors. Nice there. Keep in mind, guys, I also have other breaks going on. Not just basketball. I have football and basketball also on my eBay store. I have 2 breaks tomorrow. So if you would like to check that out, please go ahead. I have a Chronicles football, and I believe the other one is a Donruss Optic. I may be wrong. I have and Fernie Simmons. I always say his first name wrong. I apologize for that. Seth Curry, Spencer Dinwiddie, Donovan Mitchell, Otto Porter Jr., and rookie RJ Barrett for the Knicks. Nice card here for the Knicks. Still haven't seen a Jaw or a Tyler Hero. Hopefully we get some late break action and pull one of them here. First card, John Collins for the Hawks. Duncan Robinson for the Heat. Nice card there. Montrezl Harrell. Joe Ingles for the Jazz. Vince Carter for the Hawks, and a rookie, Ty Jerome for the Suns. Down to our second to last pack. Some of these packs are a little difficult to open. Sorry about that, guys. We have a Dylan Brooks, Klay Thompson, Elfrid Payton. Nice insert here. Cam Reddish, rookie. Cam Reddish, rookie impact. Instant impact for Cam Reddish here for the Hawks. Nice card. Luka Doncic for the Mavs. And Matisse Thybulle for the 76ers. Final pack for his third blaster. CJ McCollum, Lonzo, Josh Okogie, Shining Stars, Zach LaVine, Shining Stars. Nice card here. Oh, and another Zach LaVine. Zach LaVine back-to-back, base and Shining Stars. And a rookie, Jarrett Culver for the T-Wolves. That right there concludes our third blaster box. Third blaster box of 5. Third blaster box of 5. So now let's move on to our fourth blaster box. Once again, guys, do not forget that I do have value packs. If you would be interested in any of those, please let me know in the live chat. Doing personal breaks with those. Personal breaks or value packs. Illusions value packs. Let me know if you're interested in any of those. All right, guys. Now we are on to our fourth blaster. First card here. TJ Warren, Kevin Love, Tristan Thompson, Mystique, Luka Doncic. Nice card here. Mystique, Luka Doncic. Love these cards. Luke Kennard, and our rookie is Fiondu Kabengele. Eric Bledsoe, Josh Jackson, Scary Terry, Career Lineage, Karl Malone. This card will be randomized at the end. Taurean Prince, and a Sekou Doumbouya for the Pistons. Oh, someone saw that. We have a Wendell Carter Jr., Chris Paul, Lauri Markkanen, Jonas Valanciunas, Matthew Delly, and another Zion Williamson, the third for this break. Nice Zion here. Third Zion for this break. Lots of Zions, but no Jaws or Heroes. Jonas Valanciunas, Danilo Gallinari, Marc Gasol, DeMar DeRozan, red. DeMar DeRozan, this is numbered 61 of 199. 61 of 199. Nice card here for the Spurs, DeMar DeRozan. Carmelo Anthony for the Trailblazers, and our rookie is Romeo Langford for the Celtics. Jaren Jackson Jr., Kristaps, Devin Booker. Ho, nice card here. Instant Impact Zion. Instant Impact Zion. Nice day here for the New Orleans Pelicans. Caris LeVert, and our rookie, Lucas Manich for the Spurs. Great day for the Pelicans here. Congrats to you. First card in this final pack of our fourth blaster box, LaMarcus Aldridge, LeBron James, Oladipo, DeMar DeRozan, Davis Bertans, and Darius Bazley, rookie for the Thunder. That right there concludes our fourth blaster box. Fourth blaster box with one more to go. Still have not pulled any Jaws or Heroes. So again, keep in mind, guys, we have these value packs that I'm trying to move. Prices are negotiable, so if you're not willing to pay $15, I could always bring the price down for you. So just let me know if anybody is interested in any of these. Down to our final box. Final box. Thanks to all of you for joining this break. I hope that you guys have enjoyed it thus far. I hope that you guys have gotten some good cards. And I just hope to see you guys once again in one of my future breaks. Here we have a Ricky Rubio, Nikola Vucevic, Buddy Hield, Mystique, Devin Booker. Nice card here again for the Suns, Devin Booker, Mystique. Joe Ingles, and from the Boston Celtics, Taco Fall. Originally was a Heat draft pick, but was traded. Fun fact, was traded on draft night. We have a Terrence Ross for the Magic, Bruce Brown for the Pistons, Giannis for the Bucks. Another reflection here for the Hawks, Reddish and Carter. Rudy Gobert for the Jazz, and our rookie is Naz Reid for the T-Wolves. John Wall, Will Barton, Hassan, Naz Reid, rookie for the T-Wolves, Aaron Baines, and PJ Washington for the Hornets. Kevin Huerter, Ben Simmons, Thaddeus Young, Steven Adams, Lonnie Walker IV, and rookie Carson Edwards for the Celtics. Miles Bridges, Jason Tatum, DeJounte Murray. Season highlights, game winner on December 9, 2019 for Nemanja Bjelica for the Kings. Sure how to pronounce that one. Marvin Bagley III, and our rookie is Nicolo Melli for the Pelicans. Down to our final pack. Before we go, I will sell these 4 packs for $11 each. First person to claim the packs, or first 4 packs, $11 each. If you are interested in any of those, just comment how many packs you want. $11 each, PayPal. $11 each, only for these 4. If no one wants it, then they'll go unsold. Donovan Mitchell, Nikola Jokic, Jake Layman, James Harden, Patty Mills, and our rookie, Daniel Gafford for the Bulls. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining this break. I will go through the randomizer at this moment. Give me one moment. All right, Luke S., he could do 2. Luke S. could do 2. All right, Luke. Once I am done randomizing these cards, I will do that for you. Please just PayPal me if you can the $22 for 2. I have a Bulls Pistons, Raptors Spurs, and Jazz Lakers. Once again, Bulls Pistons, Raptors Spurs, and Jazz Lakers. If you're any of these 6 teams, you would want to hang tight and see if you get any of these. Going once for the 2 remaining value packs. Going once. Going twice for the 2 remaining value packs at $11. Going 3 times, and that's it. All right, Luke, good job on a great deal here. Great deal for $11. If you can, just PayPal me the 22. Once I'm done randomizing these cards, then I will break them for you. All right, guys. So our first card will be for the Jazz and Lakers. Jazz and Lakers. So first, I will ask Siri to randomize a number 1 to 6 or a die. Siri, roll a die for me. Rolling, it came up 3. Right there, if you could see 3. So I will randomize the list of the Jazz and Lakers 3 times. Jazz, Lakers. So you can see that there. 1 time, randomize. Again, randomize twice. And for the 3rd time, Lakers. Congrats to the Lakers. Nice job here in getting this career lineage of Karl Malone. Congrats to the Lakers. Next up, we have Raptors and Spurs. Siri, roll a die. Once again, rolling, and it came up 3. 3 times, we will randomize the list. So we'll go back, submit, go back, submit. I probably just pressed refresh, but oh well. So 2 teams here are Raptors and Spurs. randomize once, randomize twice, randomize a third time. List was randomized 3 times, as you can see right here. Randomized 3 times. And number 1 are the Raptors. Congrats to the Raptors. Now on our final card to randomize, rookie reflections of Kobe White and Derrick Rose. Siri, roll a die for me. 3 again. 3 seems to be the lucky number for the day. 3, as you can see. Let's refresh this. You do have to press go back. I don't use this quite often. You could tell. So 2 teams here are Bulls, Pistons. Randomize. Once. Twice. For the third time. Bulls. Congrats here to the Bulls. That right there concludes our randomizations. Congrats to the Bulls right there. Now I will do the personal break for Luke. Personal break for Luke. Let me confirm that I got the money. Yep, thank you, man. All right, Luke, so we shall get started. I originally had 4 packs up. Can you please confirm that you're still here, Luke? Just comment here, something. Like I know that you're still here. All right, man. So these were the 4 packs that I had up originally. So I want you to pick 2 packs, whichever ones you want. 1, 2, 3, 4. Comment 2 numbers, and those will be your packs. Starting from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Which 2 packs would you want? 1 and 4. Alrighty. 4 and 1. Beautiful. So these right here are your packs. Let's do this. Let's see what we could pull. Move the camera down a little bit. Alrighty, man. Let's do this. Starting off with our first pack. All right. So our first card here, we have John Wall for the Wizards. Will Barton for the Nuggets. Hassan Whiteside for the Trailblazers. Terrence Ross for the Magic. Bruce Brown for the Pistons. Season highlights of Giannis. Nice here. 40-20 game on March 1st, 2020. Nice card there. We have a Davis Bertans for the Wizards. Karis LeVert for the Nets. Melo for the Trailblazers. Oh, nice card here. Tyler Hero, rookie for the Heat. Nice hero here for the Miami Heat. Beautiful pool. Next rookie up, Bruno Fernando for the Hawks. And our final rookie, Admiral Schofield for the Wizards. Another nice pull here. Congrats on that hero. Beautiful cards. Just to go through this first pack once again. Schofield, Fernando, Hero, Melo, LeVert, Bertans, Giannis, Brown, Ross, Whiteside, Barton, and Wall. Nice first pack there. Very nice pack. Now let's go on to our second value pack. Well, should I say your second value pack? All right, so we start off with old Mr. Reliable, Chris Paul. Chris Paul, first card. Lauri Markkanen for the Bulls. Eric Bledsoe for the Bucks. Josh Jackson for the Grizzlies. Scary Terry for the Hornets. Oh, I do see an orange parallel here. Orange parallel. It's a rookie, Tremont Waters. Nice pull here. Orange parallel. Is this numbered? No, this is not numbered. I thought it would be. But nice orange parallel here of Tremont Waters. Nice card. Next up, we have a Tim Hardaway Jr., Marcus Smart, and Trae Young. Now on to our rookies. I believe these are all rookies. Yep. First one, Tremont Waters. Second, Tremont Waters for for this pack. Darius Baisley for the Thunder. And our final rookie, Luka Samanic for the Spurs. Luka Samanic for the Spurs. Quick recap here. Luka Samanic, Darius Baisley, Tremont Waters, Trae Young, Tim Hardaway Jr., Marcus Smart, Tremont Waters, Orange Parallel, Scary Terry, Josh Jackson, Bledsoe, Markkanen, and Chris Paul. I appreciate you, Luke, for doing this personal break. The cards will be included in the same shipment. If you ever would want to do some more personal breaks with me, always let me know. I have plenty of more packs. I appreciate you, man. If anybody else is on here and would like to participate in a personal break, just comment in the live chat. I'll be on here for a couple of more moments. But once again, Luke, thank you very much, my man. Thank you. Nice hero there. Nice hero. Once again, would anybody be interested in a personal break for Illusions Value Packs? Illusion Value Packs. Illusion Value Packs personal breaks. Going once. Going twice. Alrighty, guys. Everybody that is still on, have a great night. Be safe and God bless.